Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we are on the road down in Pennsylvania at PennWest Homes. We're going to be walking through the factory and one of the show homes here and picking finishes with one of the folks who's going to be building with us. And so I thought I'd take you along on this journey because I know so many people love seeing how the homes are built and getting a sense for the process of things. So picking all the colors and going to visit the factory is something that we do with a good number of the builds that we do. It doesn't always work out, but we like to do it when it can. And so I thought I'd show you how this process works. I know we've done some videos on from some other factories, but I wanted to show you this one as well. So come join us.
No, this is cute. Because when I pulled in, I was like, oh, I remember watching that house.
Here we go. Go. Where the magic happens. Hey, so that wraps up our visit of the PennWest factory today with this homeowner. We walked through the show home, we walked through and picked our finishes and revised the floor plan, and then got to walk through the factory as well. These are all things that are a normal part of our planning and design phase of the build. It doesn't always work out to go visit the factory, but if it does, man, it's a great setup because you get to see exactly how these things come together and see them in real life rather than just watching the videos that we have, although the videos can be super helpful for that as well. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below, and please reach out about your building project. Thanks.